Oh yes, perfect. Now time to put it into the microwave. Yay 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 yay. Yes, I put my mom's phone in the microwave. Now I'm going to. Oh shit, what have I done? I blew up the microwave. I'm so fucked big time.
Oh my god, crazy girlfriend, what the fuck just happened? We heard an explosion coming from our kitchen.
And second thought, where is my phone?
Well, you are going to be pissed when I tell you this. I put your phone in the microwave, and then the microwave blew up.
Oh my god, crazy girlfriend, you little bitch of a daughter, how could you ever put my phone in the microwave and blow up our microwave? Now I need to get another phone along with a new microwave because of you. That's it, you are grounded for 11 days.
Now get your ass upstairs to your room right now and stay there until further notice.
Ugh, fine, whatever you guys say.